Hi guys, if you are beach lover, then this is the last chance to buy the property near the beach because last 2 years there are too many projects. But this project, I am here at Dubai Island. You can see the construction is already there and just in front of beach. And the most important thing that what make this project unique because in the Mac properties and Lamir there is per square feet is 5 to 6,000, but here on just for 2,600 per square feet you can got the property, and the payment plan is very flexible, just for 1% for booking and 20% for down payment and remaining 30% just before the handover. So guys, what you are waiting for? If you are waiting for investment or for living, this is the best option for you. Contact us for more details. Thank you guys.